On the Operator Control Panel, or OCP, select Menu, select Advanced Settings, select Clean Printer, select Clean Feeder. Remove all the cards from the feeder cartridge. Then press Next on the OCP. Insert the short cleaning card in the top slot. Then press Next on the OCP. Press the yellow button in the feeder cartridge to release the pusher plate. Then press Clean on the OCP. Wait while the cleaning process completes. The card will eject through the top slot. Flip the cleaning card, reinsert it in the top slot, then press Clean on the OCP. Wait while the cleaning process completes. The card will eject through the top slot. When complete, the OCP will return to the Clean Printer menu. Load the cards back into the feeder cartridge.